something like this.
I'm talking strip out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game. Need a big wall, bigger the bang. With a strip out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game. Need a big wall, bigger the bang. With a
Y'all thought that was wild? Yeah, let me run it back real quick.
Yeah, it was on summer night. We was cruising down the middle of the old 85. Said she prayed we heads tied, ashes down for the ride. So I pull up to the woods and turn that Jesus around. With her head down there and my hands on that groovy. Put my 45 down as she passed me the doobie. Say she's from my hometown and she's friends with a Judy. And if she's down and get groovy, then we could go make a movie. Damn! Call that movie Josie Wheels. I was whipping out that pistol while they both be on their knees. Bang! What the hell is wrong with me? I was letting off too loosely but was aiming for the head. I'm talking strip out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game. Need a big wall, bigger the bang. With a strip out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game. Need a big wall, bigger the bang. With a I was looking at them phone when they was stole. Morning God's name, but they putting in that dough. Now I'm nodding that damn with them both eyes low. And while she pulling out their cuffs, yeah, I'm laid down and I'm chained up to the handle in the backseat. Yeah, I'm raw hard with the pants off, passed out in my own Jeep. I'll be snoring while she pulling out my wallet, out my jeans. As she trying to take the buckle, but the buckle ain't gon' easy, baby. What it is, what it is. I was made to get them bands, but I'm a sucker for the kids. Hey. And I was looking for the pace, but they took it with the baggies, and they took it with a case. Cause we was stripped out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game. Need a